Hello and welcome to MyTradingScripts. Before we get going too fast, I'd like to make my attorney happy. Let me just read some of this to you. Trading is not for the get-rich-quick. You need to make your best effort to learn. There's a potential for profit, but there's a potential for loss. Past performance of any trading system is not necessarily indicative of future results. You need to understand the risks and accept them in order to trade responsibly, and never trade with money you can't afford to lose. So with that, let's get started. Welcome to Trading with Scripts. Now, for those of you who are brand new to trading, this webinar is definitely for you. For those of you who are more seasoned, you've been around for a while, you understand trading, hang on. I think you're going to like to see the trading scripts we've created for you as well. Now, before we show you that software, I did want to go over something very important, and that is trading in today's market. It used to be so easy to trade, or easier anyway. You'd bring up a chart, put on a couple of indicators, you'd see the trend, buy and sell. Over and over and over. Trading is not like that anymore. It's not so easy. Yeah, you bring up a chart, add your indicators, start to analyze the chart, and suddenly the trend just disappears. And you're like what happened? Well, what changed is the advent of high-speed computers. So let's look at this. A trade now between New York and Chicago is 8.5 milliseconds. 83% of stock market trades are done with these what are known as high-frequency robot strategies, HFTs. And HFT strategies can analyze markets far faster than is humanly possible. And to put this in perspective, if you blink your eye, that's 300 milliseconds. Click your mouse, 500 milliseconds. So in the time it takes to click the mouse or blink your eye, high-frequency trading strategies, these HFTs, have received the exchange's data, analyzed the data, initiated an order, and been filled. How can retail traders like us even begin to compete? Well, the key to trading today is high-tech trading scripts. Here's the deal. Your old tried and true technical indicators, and I don't care which ones you're using, I mean there's dozens of them on the market, MACD, stochastics, Fibonacci, whatever it is that you're using, these tried and true technical indicators, they need time to analyze. And this is especially true if you're doing multiple time frames, you're looking at different times for that same symbol, or you're looking at more than one symbol. You need time to look at those indicators and figure out what the chart is doing. Unfortunately, high-frequency trading robots, they just take away the time and your ability to analyze the chart. And this is especially true if you're a day trader. Now here's a chart. This is a very popular trader on TradingView.com. Charting package, very popular. Take a look at all these indicators. Tell me you're going to be able to identify and understand this quickly. It's going to take time to analyze, time you really don't have. What are trading scripts? Well, trading scripts, we like to consider them behind-the-scenes technical analysis. Those exact same indicators that you're probably using manually, we use them as well. However, we let the machine do it for us, and it analyzes it quickly. And why are we doing this? Why is computerized decision-making so important? Because it simplifies trading decisions with easy-to-follow charts. Our trading scripts are available on two platforms. First of all, for those of you who are Forex traders, on the MT4 platform. Now, almost every brokerage out there uses MT4. So of course we wanted to make our trading scripts available on MT4. if you're if you're a trader and you're doing any other kind of trading, stocks, futures, cryptos, our trading scripts are also designed for TradingView.com. For those of you who haven't signed up for a TradingView.com chart, do so. It's free. They're free charts. And they'll give you the data, and it's completely free. You can find out at TradingView.com. Our scripts can be used with all kinds of exchanges. Stocks, Forex, futures, cryptos, ETFs, options, indexes. We don't care. To us, a chart is a chart is a chart. If you're using TradingView.com, here's a subset of the cryptos that they have available that our trading scripts will work very well with. Now, with that in mind, let's take a look at our trading scripts on charts, see what it really does. What we're doing is we're taking away the indecision. The indecision that comes with trading when you see especially candlesticks. Candlesticks generally go red, green, red, green, red, green. And that produces for you an indecision. Is it up? Is it down? Is it a reversal? Is it not? We eliminate that indecision by removing the red-green concept and putting in instead just colored candlesticks. In addition, we'll give you an up and down arrow to tell you where the trend is actually starting to change direction. So why just colors? Why not keep the red and green that candlesticks normally have? Well, here's the thing. This is what we believe. If you're going to lose on a trade, chances are it's because you didn't recognize the difference between a reversal or a momentary pullback. A reversal, a true reversal, is the start of a new trend. It was going up, now it's going down. It was going down, now it's going up. A momentary pullback, and this is where it becomes very difficult and indecision becomes very prominent. A momentary pullback is a pause in that current trend, and then you'll see red, green, red, green, red, green. Then after this period where it turns flat and ugly, it goes back to the original direction. Here's that same Bitcoin chart I showed you just a second ago, except it doesn't have the colored candlesticks. So how many times do you have to go through, is this a true reversal or a momentary pullback? And this is the same 5-minute chart. Here's what we think with colored candlesticks without that indecision. So what is our intention? To simplify charting. Simplify charting. We know that traders love confirmations. Without adding a bunch of different indicators to our charts and cluttering them all up, we give you one moving average, one line. That gives you a confirmation that you're looking for. You'll see it was going up, up, up. Suddenly, we gave you the red arrow, changed the color of the candles, and then a couple of minutes later, boom, here comes your confirmation. The one moving average. Just one. We're not putting a lot of things on the chart. If you're using TradingView.com, in addition to the red-green arrows, you're going to see an alert. And you're going to hear it. It's very annoying. But if you're away from your computer, you'll be able to hear when the change of direction has started. Now, so far I've been showing you a 5-minute cryptocurrency trade. Our scripts work for all time frames and exchanges. For example, here is a Euro 15-minute chart. We don't care. Euros, Forex, stocks, ETFs. We don't care. A chart is a chart is a chart. And you'll see here, same. We had our confirming moving average. We have our up and down arrows. We're doing it for Forex. Maybe you like to trade crude oil. Now, crude oil is very popular trading. And also one of the most volatile trading you can find. Full of green, red, green, red, green, red arrows. Well, again, we've taken, this is a 3-minute chart, we've taken the indecision out of the chart. Now, I just want to show you what this chart really looks like. This is what a crude oil chart really looks like. Very difficult to trade. Very difficult. Very difficult. And by taking out the indecision and just replacing it with the true trend, we actually kind of ignore a lot of the indecision point of view. We ignore that. Maybe you like to trade gold. Here's a daily chart for gold. Now, wouldn't this be lovely? This is the best trading you can possibly find. All the way down and all the way back up. And that's your gold chart. And again, back to confirmations. Now, we know that traders love confirmations. We do not want to put a lot of things on our charts and clutter them all up and that take time to analyze. So we think you should figure out a way to trade smarter, not harder. And how do you do that? Multiple time frame. In this case, we're using a Ripple chart, which is a cryptocurrency. We're using a 3-minute, a 5-minute, and a 15-minute chart to confirm the direction. The 3-minute Ripple signaled a buy at 1321. Now, it's a 3-minute chart. The 5-minute Ripple signaled the same buy at 1320. Now, it's a 5-minute chart. Remember, it takes 5 minutes to make that one bar on the chart. So, of course, it starts at 1320 and finishes at 1325, right? Now comes the 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart signals a buy at 1330. Well, it takes 15 minutes to make that one bar. It takes 15 minutes. So all three had confirmed exactly at the same time. And that's trading smarter, not harder. So how much do our trading scripts cost? Well, for those of you who are brand new to trading and need a little help, we suggest getting a little bit more. Now, for those of you who are seasoned, you're just looking for the script software, £250, a little over $300. You'll get the scripts, you'll get, it'll work for TradingView and MT4, and you can always email us. For those of you who are new to trading and you need more help, Silver Pack gives you both email and Skype help. And for those of you who really are new to trading and really feel uncomfortable, the Gold Pack will throw in a year of private messaging. We really want you to get trading and understand trading and how it works. Now, if you sign up today, guess what? We'll throw in a 15% discount on any package that you choose. If you send us an email, info@mytradingscripts.com, and include the coupon code today15, we'll get back with you very shortly with the registration details. Want to see more examples before you buy? No problem. Go to our website, MyTradingScripts.com, click blog. You'll see lots and lots of charts that we've put up showing how our software works. Or go to TradingView. Want to see it live, real time? Go to TradingView and find us under My Trading Scripts. We have posted dozens and dozens and dozens and dozens of charts, hundreds of charts with our examples. Now, I'm in the middle of a webinar. I can only show you a couple of examples, but there you'll find all of what you're looking for. So with that in mind, I want to thank you very much for coming. If you want any more information, want to call us, talk to us, go to mytradingscripts.com. You can send us an email, info@mytradingscripts.com, and we'll get back to you very shortly. Again, thank you for showing up, and have a great trading day.